Hi guys, welcome to my fridge. Well, my parents' fridge, but that's pretty much the same thing. Today I'm organizing the fridge and I thought I'd take you guys through. And while I was doing some research, I found out that there's actually a certain way of how you're supposed to organize your fridge. And there are things that you should put in certain places. Something like milk, dairy products, and eggs actually should be stored in the shelf of your fridge and not on the door, since the door is prone to temperature fluctuations as you keep on opening and closing the door. We had this empty jerry cans and I thought I'd cut them and make them into compartments for storing my vegetables in the crisper drawer. So that's what I'll do first.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you.
I'm done cutting this, guys, and now I'm going to repurpose them and save them from ending up in the trash. So I've washed them and I've dried them. First, I'm going to take everything out of the fridge and give it a quick wipe because it's not that dirty as I cleaned it last week. But it wouldn't be a fridge without some kind of spillage somewhere. But if your fridge is in need of a deep clean, just take the shelves out, clean them, dry them, and put them back in. So I'll start by removing everything, setting it on the counter, cleaning the fridge, then going through everything, getting rid of any expired items or things that need to be tossed out. This is what the fridge looked like before. I've taken everything out. You can see the spillage I was talking about. But overall the fridge isn't that dirty because I cleaned it last week. I'll give it a quick wipe to remove the debris that's in here. I'll be using this DIY cleaning solution, which is 1 part water and 1 part white vinegar, and a clean cloth to wipe everything down. The fridge is looking a whole lot better, and I will warn you that the solution we used contained vinegar, so your fridge will smell like vinegar, but once the solution dries up, the smell will go away. Next, I'm taking this placemat. These are table mats that we have but we don't use anymore, and I'll use them to line the fridge so that in case anything spills, instead of having to clean the fridge all over again, I'll just take out the mat, clean that, and put it back in. I've gone through all the stuff we had, checking the expiration dates and wiping any spills around the bottles. And on top of that, I've categorized all my items so that I can figure out how I'm going to arrange them in the fridge. And I've come up with dairy on the top shelf, leftovers on the middle, fruits and vegetables in the crisper drawer, and for the door I'll do condiments, juices, and any other random stuff.
Hey, you, we could be more.
other thing that you want to do is label your leftovers. We had this for dinner last night. I'll just indicate the day when it was cooked. That way you can track when you put certain foods in the fridge and which ones are about to go off so that you eat them before they go off.
It's true, you're all I want. You're all I want.
I would ideally store some of these vegetables in brown bags, but I ran out of brown bags and I haven't had a chance to get others. I've removed one of the containers, the one that was here, because I didn't have space for my pre-packaged vegetables. And this is the arrangement that I have going on here. I've gone ahead to prep my watermelon because I find it easier to grab a fruit from the fridge when it's actually chopped up. And what I do for this is I place the melon on a colander. That way the juices can drip on the bottom and my melon won't get soggy.
Wandering slowly, that you are no more than a dream.
I'm really pleased with how the fridge turned out, and I challenge all of you to organize your fridge because most of us are not really doing anything in this period. And with that said, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.